Good morning from America's Wolves Galita, all televis. I'm your host, Guided Commercial, Geico. Excuse me. Today's show is provided more support by MerriweatherA.Law. Mayo weather, Mayo white the law. Advancing us with us, S1L5. Miss Dr. Phil is on the background. Could we show everyone what we're listening to in the background? Yes, Dr. Phil Morning. Dr. Phil Morning, hello. Good Lord. All right. So let's get to our program here. Remember to donate. If you have questions, visit our answer site. Purchase for your answers. Don't steal your answers. It's kleptomania. Go to gofundme.com/alltelevis. Click the link here to donate now. It's that simple. Obstruction of me. Amanda Matai, $653. Put in your first name. He's live, Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil, go to gofundme.com/alltelevis. First name, last name, or use your Facebook info, your email, country, zip code. But I have a question. Madam Matai, I have a question. I have a question. I would like to pay for my question here. Click continue. That's simple. Or you can go to facebook.com/BERNONMERRIWEATHER. Evanon. Viennoon. Viennoon. Click the money tab in your messenger and send your funds. It's that simple. Today's show is provided support by Verizon. Shop support by Verizon. We'll be doing a go-through shopping experience at VerizonWireless.com. And equipment protection as well. We'll do a claim online. Please don't steal. Avoid your research, all of it. Yeah, it's like cutting this leg off and then reattaching it. Can't steal. You research. Quanto Plenty Preferencia. Total Equipment Protection, Export Support, Peace of Mind, the most comprehensive protection and support available online. $12 a day, $12 a month. Total Equipment Protection. Expert support, US-based support. Support for your device, support for your home. Only from Sprint Total Protection. Quanto Plenty Preferencia. Yeah, God's energy, Dr. Phil. Quanto. After Quanto is delivering Grider, yeah. Dr. Phil's live in the background. Quanto Clemente Preferencia AT&T Wireless. Stream Saver, Jet Stream Saver. We can make this Jet Stream cold hot. It's here. Same plan, same data, more video. Free AT&T certified restored Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Wireless and cell phone connections that count. Check out our latest devices, phones, and accessories. Only from AT&T, MerriweatherA.Law. And approve from T-Mobile, 2 unlimited lines. $100 all in. Get 2 lines of unlimited data for $100 a month with auto pay. Pay yourself. Yeah, pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. Just go for it. Without the yeah, just go. Oh, pay ourselves. Taxes and fees included, plus activate an HD video streaming and 10 GB of high-speed mobile data hotspot at no extra charge. At a line T-Mobile. Quanto Plenty Preferencia. MerriweatherA.Law. Rhinocourt, I know what you're trying to do. Innocourt. Allergy spray. New children's Rhinocourt powerful allergy relief that's gentle on the noses. Only from AstraZeneca. Johnson & Johnson Company. Cataplexy, narcolepsy, and the American Sleep Association. Arthritis, don't lose your phone. It voids the research. It's got to be consistent. What if someone else talks to CNN on the phone? You got it. You avoided. And by Eric Bauer. Today, Bauer's members receive 30% off your entire purchase. Free shipping on all orders, $99 or more. Details. Adventure Rewards exclusive members receive 30% off your entire purchase. Only at Eric Bauer. Established 1920. Shop men's, shop women's, shop kids' outerwear at editpower.com. Heather Howard's do a double taste herb chicken. Juicy Bird Toscano is a slow cooked pie high on toasted apple brochet, then topped with a double smoked bacon and maple mustard. Try it at Ours. New homestyle chicken double smoked bacon panini. Enjoy free standard shipping on orders $50 or more. Hi, spy. That's not a spy. It's Nesquik grown up is the better with the bunny. See all products here. Deliciously nutritious, 40% less sugar than the leading chocolate syrup powder. 7 essential vitamins and minerals. Hi, spy. Hi, spy. Good Lord. Post-game nutrition. Hi, spy. After a tough game of practice, kids need to refuel low-fat sugar. Chocolate milk like Nesquik gives them a fun and nutritious way to help recovery. 8 grams of protein. Hi, spy. And by the Bronx Zoo, get 10% off tickets. No, thanks. Skip this offer. No. Enter your email address and get a code sent to you. The Bronx Zoo and JetBlue. Something goes together. Our video's in progress. The Strasbourg Academy. How to apply. Only from Lee Strasberg Acting Method Acting.com. Hi, Hishbay.
Ready, John?
It's a spy.
Whenever you're ready, we'll kick it off.
It's a bitchy spider when up the water spat. Down came the rain. Watch the spider right. Hi, his spy.
We had to do something to keep up our record.
It's the itchy bitchy spider.
This morning, after receiving his daily
Dr. Fields in the background. Mr. Sean Spicer. We're watching Dr. Field morning. And Dr. Field night.
Expand opportunities for America's workers.
In Philadelphia, John Regas.
Vice President, cabinet members, and key aides, and came
Google John Regas.
on their discussions and recommendations. The group discussed the need to roll back burdensome regulations.
John Regas, Adelphia Cable.
CEOs thank the president for the actions that he's already taken to address the issues, and the president pledged to do even more.
Dr. Field, is this you?
Executive
Adelphia Cable.
To pass legislation that will help
The Highland Report.
job creation. The business leaders recommended
Andrew Beckett.
take a multifaceted approach to
Philadelphia.
policies, including tax reform, toward which Secretary Mnuchin.
I think that's him. I think that's him.
The president committed to working to lower taxes and
Philadelphia, the film.
When it comes to trade and taxation. The group held a lengthy discussion about the need to invest in the American
1993 American drama film, one of the first mainstream Hollywood films, knowledge HIV, AIDS, homosexuality, and homophilia.
workforce of the 21st century.
Thank you, Google Voice.
CEOs and administration officials.
She knows.
Public-private partnership
Release date December 22nd,
cornerstone of a robust plan to
1993.
crumbling infrastructure.
Oh, who's the
President
controller
committed to streamlining
studio?
and permitting process that is holding back so many.
It's right at the
projects.
next. What else would
At
it
the end
be?
of the discussion, the group expressed their
No, this is
excitement about
Columbia.
economic growth in the White House.
TriStar Pictures before they sold it.
Even said that this is probably the most pro-business
CBS, hello.
since the founding fathers. The president conveyed his intention to assemble the industry leaders on a regular basis.
Dr. Fields in the
to
background
discuss
here.
progress toward these important goals.
Important goals today is
Available. This afternoon, the president spoke with Canadian
CDMAYORKREDITCardvardX3.66, the Oxygen Network,
Right now, many of you just
in Oprah
met
Winfrey
the
and
president, who is
network
involved in the
area.
listening session with leaders
Tonight on
from
Oxygen
domestic
Snapped,
and international human trafficking.
Stacey Shoek, a 2010 shooting death of a family man is investigated tonight on Snap, Oxygen Network. And Teresa Kotomiski, her husband's 2009 poison death is probed only on Snap tonight on Oxygen. Oh, what about the Smithsonian channel? The Smithsonian in fist fight. What's the runtime on that movie? An hour and 31 minutes. What else? Good Lord. Oxygen. Smithsonian. The museum. Oh, let's go to the museum. They wanted us to go to Figueroa Museum. Good Lord, we're not going to the Figueroa Museum? Are you serious? You're not serious.
Both of our countries' security and economic.
And it's both of our countries' algorithm encryption security.
conversation on a range of bilateral issues, including energy,
algorithm
migration,
encryption.
security, education, exchanges, and people-to-people ties.
Absolutely not.
The parties also
The
reiterated
parties,
our joint
absolutely.
commitment to maintaining law and order at our southern
Maintaining
border,
law and order.
stopping potential terrorists, and dismantling the transnational criminal
I'm your
networks
host, Guy the
that bring
Camera
drugs and
Show.
people into the United
A320
States.
Airbus
Under this
320.
president, there is no mistaking the rule of law matters on both sides of our border.
Where's your phone?
Secretary Tillerson
Airbus 320. Google
are
Voice.
meeting with President Peña Nieto this afternoon.
The conspiracy.
A continuation
We'll be shopping at Verizon.com and Sprint.com and BudgetMobile.com. Which one should we choose? Today's show is a U.S. code
Tomorrow, the president
1324. Penalties for document fraud.
The president Peru is in town for
Misrepresenting yourself as counsel of Ross Kroger.
top of that, further guidance will be provided.
Yeah, I'm the attorney of
The president will
Kroger.
also speak at CPAC
That's penalties for
tomorrow.
document
I know the
fraud.
president's looking forward to addressing
Section
issues
8 to
with
forge, counterfeit, alter, falsely alter any
conservative
document for the purpose of false satisfying a requirement, a test he passed this chapter to obtain a benefit under the chapter to use.
the governors to the White House on Sunday evening.
It's just
The
wrong.
vice president, members of the cabinet. Will
What are
also
the
be in
fines
attendance.
of this?
While the governors are in town, they will be meeting with members of the cabinet, White House staff.
You got
and
under
other
chapter
secretaries.
224.
Kelly Price and Secretary Chow have also
Mr.
set up
Spicer, what's the
a series of
penalties for
meetings.
document
The
fraud?
president, vice president, and senior White House staff will also participate in a portion of the business session of NGA.
Well, these are the
that takes place
penalties.
on Monday morning. Next week,
Hi, I'm
of course, the
Anonymous.
president
I'm
will
going to
be
go
at
over the
joint
penalties
session
with you guys.
for both houses of Congress. He's currently working closely with the speechwriting
With
team
respect to the
present
violation of
resolution to Congress
subsection
regarding
A,
the
this
people.
order
A few updates I wanted
under
that
the
were,
subsection
now
requires the
updates out.
person
The theme
or
that we,
entity
addressed
to
is the
cease and
renewal of
desist
the
from
American
such
spirit.
violations
We
to pay a
addressed particularly
civil
focused on
penalty in
public
the
safety,
amount not less than
defense,
$250
increased border
and not
security,
more than
taking care of
$2,000
our
for each
veterans,
document
and then
that is
economic
subjected
opportunity,
of
including education,
violation.
job training, healthcare reform, jobs,
Okay.
tax, and regulatory reform. With that, I'll be glad to take a few of your
With that,
questions.
exactly, I'm from the community.
Two questions. First, the White House said previously
This
that
is a penalty. You cannot have fake documents. You cannot.
And now we're hearing there's these repeated delays while the new one
All
is being
right.
drafted. How do we
Whoever has been
reconcile
convicted
those
of the
two
violation of
reports? That's
paragraph
question
1
one.
knowingly
And
and
then
willfully
secondly,
prepares
the
or
president said
assists
today that the deportations
in
taking place in
preparing
just launched
the
are a military
application for
operation.
immigration
Secretary
benefits
Kelly said the military will
pursuant to the
be involved in
chapter or the
updating.
regulations
President has
promulgated,
so I'll
therefore
take
whether
that
or
first.
not for a fee or
President was using that as a
remuneration of regardless of whether the matter within the jurisdiction of the service shall be fined in accordance
we made it
with
clear in the past,
18,
Secretary
imprisoned for
Kelly
not more than
reiterated
15
what
years
kind of operation this was, but the president was clearly describing
or both,
the
and
manner
prohibited
in
from
which this was
preparing
being
and
done.
assisting in preparing
And so
any
just to
other
be
such
clear, his
application.
use of that phrase, and I think the way it's being done
It's
by
not
our
more,
colleagues
it's the
is
max.
being done with very much a high degree of precision. And
It's just 15 years, okay, you guys?
the orders are
That's
carried out,
all.
and it's done in a very streamlined.
Oh, thank you, Anonymous. You're welcome. Do the right thing. Don't
We have made it
assist.
very clear that we believe that the first one was done
Oh,
in
Anonymous is
US
from.
code and the authority granted by
I'm
the president.
from.
This time, the order is finalized. What we are
This
doing
is how
now
I
in the
became
implementation
captain.
phase
This is how I
with the
became
respective
best
departments and
attorney in
agencies
the
to
world.
make sure that we
From.
execute this.
Yeah,
It's done in a
Anonymous
manner
is
that's
from.
flawless. And so it's not a
And
question
so
of
it's not.
delaying, it's a question of getting it right.
Question of
We've
getting it
taken the
right.
court's opinions and
Opinion.
concerns into consideration, but the order is finalized. It's now awaiting implementation.
Pay for your
What we wanna
answers
do is
if you
make
have
sure that we're
answers. I'm
working
very excited to
through
do today's show.
departments and agencies so that any
Very
concerns or
excited. I'm
questions
wearing
may
Savvy
come
from Head to
from
Toe. Take a
them.
look.
We are
Oh,
acting
and your
in
Bugle Boy
appropriate haste and
jeans.
diligence to make sure
I got on a pair of
the order is
Bugle
done
Boys. I
in
won't
the appropriate
lie.
manner. Yeah.
He's got a pair of Bugle Boys.
Comment of the Treasury Secretary.
Got a pair of Bugles.
He was asked if we should
The price is wrong because that's not what he's doing. Price is wrong.
will take effect in 2018.
Free my telephone, please. Yeah, free is telephone.
So my question to you is,
Free my tel.
a tax proposal that
UCLA, free my telephone.
in 2018.
The price is wrong. Free my telephone.
Secretary Mnuchin also
He's got free my
to
tel.
have this wrapped up by August and implemented. The question
Media, we love you.
is, or what you're referring to.
I did everything you wanted me to do. You wanted. I did. It's all known best audio experience. I love a song. Motivational speaker, richest man in America, universe, world, galaxy. Thank the short way I saved your file. Save me some high space in the world. Tweet us via your link at FRESH _.
And for taxpayers, it's obviously
And for earned income credit, you've been settled. Please file by the 15th of April. Jordan's JORDNZ every 20 minutes of the hour. The rest goes into my Wells Fargo. Remember 311. All dispute screening process must be in line. I'm so sorry. You got tax month, January, February, March, April to the 15th. You haven't earned it. It's a settlement. Metro PCS, prepaid. You don't get a bill. You don't know the stipulations of these refunds or wireless services. You don't get a bill. And I won a prize. Oh, he won a prize. He doesn't tell us what they're doing with us. You've got a prize. And them all. What's in that prize? It's a lot of legal rigmarole. Legal rigmarole?
I think
what's in the bill? You don't get a bill. I won. Now, remember 311. Off the speed screening process of your president-elect. Must be in line, and all liquids must be in the three eyes. Ayala, fix my life, feels live in the background. That's container. 18 USC 251. These lines split at Amherst. Wilson Farms 711 chapter.
So it's obviously concerning. I think
obviously concerned. Let's get to our
it's troubling that that's the
shop for a
message
phone. Yeah,
to
bring up the
people and to other
screen.
governments, because we are a nation of laws, and I think that
Dr. Phil, we're not
we need to
answering these
understand that
questions.
whether it's the laws that he passes,
Show Dr.
up
Phil
in
the
Connecticut, or the
answer
laws that are
store.
passed, through Congress and signed by
Dr.
the president.
Phil.
There's a reason that a democracy works. It's because the people speak.
Dr. Phil. It's that simple. Altelevis.com.
Every level passing law,
GoFundMe.com/Altelevis. Forward donate. I'm at a matter.
vetoes it.
Pay for your
Live by
answers,
the
Mr.
truth.
Phil.
The idea that you can decide which laws
Oh,
to agree or
Facebook,
not
there's
to
no
agree with,
excuse.
follow or not to follow, undermines our entire rule of law.
No excuse. This
And
is
so
how
I
you
would
order your
suggest
phone,
that
right?
that is not a
Verizon.com.
great sign to be sending to the people of Connecticut and the
People
people
of
of
Connecticut.
this country that a particular governor
Yeah, let's
chooses not to
shop
follow
for a
the duly passed
phone.
laws of the
Shop
station. With respect to sanctuary
phones and
cities,
devices.
I think this is
Ooh, free 2-day
an
shipping.
area
Don't
that the
wait.
American people, by huge amounts
No
of
restocking
support,
fee.
they recognize their tax dollars shouldn't be spent
Let's get the
supporting
iPhone Plus.
programs and activities which people are not entitled to. And so I think the president's
We're in collections.
that if you are a sanctuary city,
Probably have to give him a call so we can get a
if you are
phone, please. Oh,
providing
good lord, who is
benefits or
this?
services, we're
Gary
going to do
Forsey,
everything we
Sprint.
can to
Click
respect
no.
taxpayers and ensure that your
What
states
color
follow
would you
the law.
like?
Yeah.
There was a different
Let's get a hat trick,
comment
please.
from the president about,
There's only one.
Jenna wanted to use
Dr.
that
Phil.
Trump.
Even though you didn't pay for the answer, Dr. Phil, you kind of got the answer.
So just to be clear,
Go fund
President
me,
was asked
Dr.
at one
Phil.
point if Caitlyn Jenner was in Trump Tower.
No more
He said, "That's great."
answers.
That's consistent with everything he said. It's a
Give me the
state's rights
goalie
issue.
color. He wants the goalie
And
one.
that's entirely what he believes, that if a state wants to
Next
pass a law or a rule or an organization
I'm a new
to
customer.
in compliance with the state rule, that's their right.
That's the
But it
right.
shouldn't be the federal government getting in the
Who
way.
doesn't have a hat?
If you look at this, the
6
law that
points.
was passed in 1972
1972.
did not contemplate or
Did
consider
not have
this
with the
issue.
whoa.
Number two, the procedure
Hi,
for
his
this guidance
spy.
letter that was done through the Obama
Today's show is brought to you by Hi, his spy.
There was no comment period. There was no input from parents, teachers, students, or administrators. None. So if we think about how this was implemented
Hi, his spy.
last administration, there was zero input. There was
And
zero
Heather Howard,
input.
JavaScripts.
Teachers and students never had any say in how this was implemented. Number three, there's a reason that the Texas
And
court
soft
had this
Google.
matter enjoined.
Yeah,
Because
soft
it didn't
Google.
follow the law and it had procedural problems.
Soft
Four,
Google.
as I mentioned, it's a state right issue. And then
Today's show is
five,
brought to you by Hi, his spy.
recognize that
And soft
children
Google.
do enjoy rights
Would you like device
anti-bullying
protection?
statutes
Yes,
in
I
almost
want
every state.
it.
And that there's a difference
What size would you
between
like?
being
Give me
compassionate
the
for individuals
Spicer
and children who are
size.
struggling with something.
AES, Algorithm Encryption Security,
And how it's being done. And I think that
256.
the president has a big heart, as
Has
we
a big
talked about, and
heart.
a lot of other issues, and there's a big difference. Personally,
It'll be
he thinks this issue
$40.41 a
with
month.
respect to one of his
Monthly
problems.
device
But
payment.
he also believes that that's not a federal. It's not a federal government issue.
All right.
It's an issue
What's
left to the
next?
states, and it's an issue that.
Confirm your order.
In
It
August
looks
of last
good.
year,
Maybe we should chat now.
join this, because it
How
hadn't
is
followed
Amy?
the
Hi,
law,
Amy.
hadn't the procedure, the
Hi, his
comment
spy, Heather
in the
Howard.
solicitation of
Hi, his
president
spy.
wasn't followed. It was jammed down
Let me go, Dr.
and
Phil.
and
Welcome
so
to Verizon
we're actually
Wireless
following
Sales
the law,
Shot.
and I think
How
that's
can I
a,
help
that's
you
a very
today? I'm
important job.
Amy.
Hold on.
Sorry, I wasn't finished, I'm sorry.
I'm following the question.
I was saying,
Why don't we let April follow on, and then
Um,
John, Kristen,
so I have something on my.
hello, media. How are you?
On the HBCU executive
yeah.
order.
My phone
Representative
narcolepsy.
executive order is
Amy,
coming
can
out
you help me
sometime
with
like this month.
narcolepsy?
It's supposed to open, you're working out issues of.
Dr.
bringing
Phil's in
office
background with a
specifically to
wafer.
take the HBCU initiative out of the
We're
Department
waiting
of
for a
Education
wafer
and bring
shake,
it directly under the purview of
according to
the office.
Dr. Phil.
Who will be heading that? Have you figured
Dr.
that
Phil,
out?
where's your
Have you
wafer?
also figured out how you will build that office out? Because we understand that is one of the big pieces of this.
I don't think so, Mr.
That's why
Phil.
it hasn't been issued yet.
You're
We're
Dr.
working through the process.
Philadelphia.
Obviously, that is something that we're committed to getting done by the end of Black History Month.
Dr.
So,
Philadelphia, I don't
our
think so,
number.
John.
There's
Mr. John
a commitment
Regas.
by the president and the staff to
You
really
offered me a
focus on
job
this
at the
issue and
Regas,
give it the proper respect.
Chicago
So,
Street, and Chef
bear with
Restaurant.
us a couple more days.
You don't make
I
it.
promise you we'll have more to say on that.
Will be a
Now your
department
Time Warner
No,
Spectrum.
I'm not going to get into the details.
Amy's
I can
typing
sort
for
of
your
blanket statement
answer.
on non-issued executive
Amy,
orders.
scoot it along. This is a
But I do know
half-hour
that there's a commitment
program.
by the president and the staff.
Can you clarify
That
what
he
you
has
needed
been very clear
assistance
with us
with?
that he wants that done.
Can you
By the end
clarify
of this
what
month.
you are needing
Jack
assistance
John.
with? Miss Amy, we need a new phone. Dr. Phil, the FCC wouldn't be happy with that. Mr. Philadelphia, good Lord.
And I think there's a reason. Like we've got to remember, this guidance was
remember.
enjoined last August by a
Let's
court.
just go with that
It
order.
hasn't been
Amy's going to take
enforced.
forever.
There was no comment period by
We can't
anyone,
think, Dr.
by the
Phil. You
human
have to
rights,
pay for your answers.
campaign, by teachers.
You do
parents,
have the funds,
students.
Dr. Phil. Go to
Nobody had any
GoFundMe.com
And it seems
/ghost
to me a little
televis.
interesting that if this was any other
It's
issue,
just
people
simple.
would
You
cry
have
foul that the
answers.
process wasn't followed.
Amanda
The
Mata,
reality is that
653.
when you look at that Title IX,
Choose your data
it was
plan.
enacted in 1972. The idea that this was
Choose your plan. What would you like?
contemplated at that is preposterous.
Well,
on
give
its
me
face.
unlimited
But that doesn't mean
65.
that the president obviously understands the issue and the challenges that especially young children face. He
Yay.
just believes that
And
this
there's
is
a
a state issue
$20.
that needs to be addressed by states, as he does with a lot of other issues that we've talked about. And so this is, we are a
Cool.
states' rights party. The president, on a lot of issues, believes in
Amy, we gotta go because
various issues being states' rights.
you
I
know
don't
what
see
we're
why
talking
this would
about.
be any different.
This
And
is
again, if you go
admissible.
through it, it's not just
Click the
technical
X on
guidance issue,
Amy.
it's the legal basis on which it was
She
ordered.
answered. She's
It fell
admissible.
short on a
That's
lot of stuff.
all. We
It
gotta go.
wasn't us that did this. It was the court
And there's
that
a line
stepped in
fee.
and said that
Apple
they hadn't
iPhone for
followed the
$20.
law, back in August of last year.
That makes
and
it
enjoined the case.
$85.
Just wondering, does the White House
That's fine.
disagree
Just
with the position that this
add
is
the
a civil right?
plan.
Well, I think it's not a question of whether it's a civil right; it's where it's an appropriate
Civil rights
addressed.
altar.
And as I noted, it's appropriately
We've made
addressed
an altar.
at the state level. Kelly.
Sean, does the president personally believe
Due
that
monthly
any
$136.41.
of their choice, his personal belief?
Wow. Why is your show high?
He's not going to get into determining. I understand.
Well, you have a monthly device payment. You have your plan and equipment protection. There's no activation fee. We gave you a credit and no restocking fee. You have 14 days to try it out. Wow.
I understand that, and I think that he is very sympathetic to children.
We're done checking out.
This is up to states.
It's that
and
simple.
schools within a particular district.
Dr. Phil, your interrogations must go to GoFundMe.com /donate. Yeah, free my tail. And that's how you make an order at Sprint.com. Oh, good Lord, it's Jessica. What do you want, girl? Jessica, hi. I'm a Verizon Wireless specialist. Can I help you today? Jessica, you can help us with free my telephone. That wrong price. Yeah, it's wrong. It is.
Title IX from
Yeah, Dr. Phil, you got it.
Anybody and say that was even contemplated.
That was in conflict.
There's nobody that is possibly
Free.
that the law that was passed in 1972 did that. Number two,
We're now at Sprint.com for our orders of shop.
guidance, which is in violation of
Apple iPhone, we're shopping.
And so there's a big difference. Hold on. Let me answer the question.
Where's your
There's
phone,
also
narcolepsy?
strong reading when you read,
We want the Apple 7 Plus Encryption
It is
256.
very clear that the president does have
17-month leash with no money down.
the issue.
He wants some money down. We can do that for you. What color? Give me the goalie. Hat trick, daddy.
Necessary to protect the American
You got it.
and there's no way that anybody
There's no way that anyone else can be that.
to interpret that different.
Interpret
There is a
that.
difference between looking at a
Who else
statute
could
from
that be, Dr. Phil, Mr.
1972
Spicer?
and saying that something was complicated back then. Not only that, again, it's a
Who
multifaceted
else?
thing. When you look at how the guidance was issued, there was a
Next
zero
step, please.
comment period. Nobody
Choose your plan. I'm sure that's the next step.
And so when you're talking about forcing
Today's show is brought to you by High by Heather Howard.
from the federal level, and schools, parents, teachers, kids were not able to have any
High
sort of
by.
decision from Washington. I think it's a very, very clear difference. John Gizzi.
Thank you, Sean. Just going back 2 weeks.
He's spying on
In
me.
a story that got relatively little attention.
Hi, his spy. Good morning.
Cooper, a very distinguished lawyer, asked that his name be.
Let's do a live chat, see what we can do.
He was on the periphery of being named U.S. Solicitor.
Everyone's named
My
Jessica.
question is,
Jessica, hi. I'm a sprint sales specialist.
can you confirm or deny
Would you like
that
help
his name
today?
is now vetting
Yes.
Mr. Miguel Estrada, who was a former nominee for the Court of Appeals as Solicitor
Narco
General
snatch.
before the visa delay case.
For the narco snatch.
And second, Cooper said that
Narco
he did not want
snatch.
to go through the same experience that Jeff Sessions, his good friend, did when he had
Narco snatch.
confirmation
Jessica, can you help us with
hearings
narco
voted in
snatch?
the Senate. Does that make
You
the
said it.
president a little bit discouraged
This is
from
anonymous.
getting
Jessica says,
nominees
please hold on
to
while
some
we
very important
review this with your counsel.
Well, thanks, John. And I'd say,
Charles, are you listening?
as you know, I'll give you the
Sprint
same answer we give
counsel.
executive orders. We don't comment on personnel decisions until they're made.
Charles One School.
Until they're finalized. So I've got nothing for that. On the second part, what I would say is that the
Sprint
president
Nextel, General
is very
Counsel.
confident. We have a deep bench of folks who, during the transition, we talked about this number of people.
Charles One School.
expressed a huge interest in joining the president in fulfilling this agenda.
Sprint Nextel names Charles Wunsch as General Counsel and Corporate
That
Secretary.
being said, I think for folks who have to go through the Senate
Hi,
confirmation
Charles Wunsch.
and to watch what has happened to some of these
And William Peterson.
the tearing apart of their personal lives.
Verizon Wireless General Counsel.
For some of these people, I think, in terms of Mr. Cooper and others, who are looking at the process, saying, "I would like to be part of this."
Craig
This is what we're
Silliman.
gonna have to go through. So while this is somewhat of an isolated case, I definitely understand what he's.
Good morning,
talking about.
Craig Silman.
You know, those are few and far between.
We have a
but I think that when you
narcolepsy
realize what
phone
is
law.
happening largely at the expense
Craig
of some
Silman,
Democrats,
Executive Vice
in terms of
President,
dragging
Public
these people
Policy,
through a very
and General
crazy,
Counsel
arduous process for purely political
at
reasons.
Vernon Wireless
I think
iPhone.
that there's some people who could look at that process and potentially say, "I don't want to serve." Luckily, we've not come to
We've
that.
not come to that.
Beyond a handful of folks. Largely,
That's just
people
for their research if they steal the device.
willing to make great sacrifice, both financially
What if they
and
take his
personally
foot
to
off
serve
and
the
then
administration
put it
because
back
they
3 days
understand,
later?
what potential change
That would be
this president
contamination of
brings to
evidence,
this country,
spoliation
to
of
the Senate.
evidence.
So, but I
The
understand
device must remain with your research. What if they ask Trapifying the question?
The Homeland Security
You
Secretary
gotta.
says there won't be mass deportation.
Right.
Is it the president's intent or desire, as some advocates worry, that people who are here illegally with a simple
Thank you, General
simple
Counsel of
violation
Sprint and
be
Verizon.
subject to deportation?
Yes. Well, I mean, I think everybody.
Jessica, how may I help you today?
If you overstay a visa, if you commit a crime, you can't.
This is
by the
Jessica.
very
I
nature of
appreciate
not
your
being
patience while the
legal,
chat is
you
connected
can
to
be
me.
subject to
I'm sorry, I don't
deportation.
understand
By
that.
definition, being in this country is a
Anonymous, is she correct?
if you're a visitor. And I think we have a
Actually,
right to
this
make sure that the people
Jessica's
in this
wrong. She
country
knows.
Are here for good.
She knows what a narco
peaceful
snatch
process.
is.
And as I've said over and over again,
Jessica, would you like us to rephrase the
recognizes that there are
question?
millions of people in
Narco
the country
snatch.
who are not here legally, and that we have to have a very systematic.
Jessica, don't you know what a narco snatch is? Going through on the green line. Or sitting by exits, yellow. Yellow poles.
Just to be clear, is to untie
Without
the hands
clear.
of ICE and Border Patrol agents and say,
Judge
your job
Spicer
to
is on
enforce
the
law.
line.
First and foremost, to figure out who poses a threat to us. But in the previous administration,
Appointed,
that hasn't been done.
opposed.
There was exception after exception
Absolutely.
after exception. And the fact of the matter is
Yes,
that we
Jessica,
have
we're gonna
we are a
go.
nation of laws, and we have to have a
We'll talk to
system of
Charles One
legal
School.
immigration that is respected.
Let's do an interview
So,
with Charles
I'm not
Wunsch.
being prescriptive in terms of what ICE's job is, but needless to say, their
Charles
job
Wunsch,
as an immigration
Google.
is to protect the country and to enforce our borders and our immigration laws. And the president has basically
Maybe we should do an interview with General
to carry
Counsel.
out their mission. And so the
That's a
priority,
good
as we've
idea, you
discussed
guys.
over and over and over again, is to do that in a way
Why don't we have an
that is in
interview?
accordance with the law, but also prioritizes those
Prioritize.
people that pose a threat. I'm gonna
Yeah,
go
why
to,
don't we do an interview
Roby
with
Brock
them?
from the Talk Business and Politics in
Anonymous will do the interview with Charles Wunsch School.
Hey, thanks, Sean. Roby Brock with Talk Business and Politics here
Thank you,
in Arkansas,
guys.
the home of the rowdiest town halls in the nation.
If I can find an interview, I
have
can't
a
find one
question
here.
on, medical marijuana. Our state voters passed a medical marijuana
Charles
amendment in
Wunsch.
November. Now we're in conflict with federal law, as many other states are. The Obama administration kind of chose
Good
not to
morning,
strictly
Press
enforce
Fool.
those federal marijuana laws. My question to you is, with Jeff Sessions
Where's
over at
Charles
the Department of
Wunsch? Good
Justice
Lord.
as AG, what's going to be the Trump administration's position?
We want to
on,
speak to Charles
marijuana
Wunsch
legalization
and Craig
when it's in a state
Stillman
federal conflict like this?
Thanks, Roby.
for
There's two
narcolepsy
distinct
phone
issues
losses.
here. Medical marijuana.
Narcolepsy phone losses.
I think medical marijuana.
Narcolepsy phone
I've said
losses.
before that the president
Kevorkian assisted
understands
narcolepsy
the
phone
pain and
losses.
suffering that many people go through who are facing especially terminal diseases.
Narcolepsy
And
phone
the comfort
losses.
that some of these drugs, including medical marijuana, can bring to them. And that's one that Congress, through a rider in
Mr. Craig Stillman.
2011, looking for a little help, I think put in an appropriations bill saying the Department of Justice
Hello, Mr. Craig Stillman.
wouldn't be
Would you like an
funded to
interview
go
with
after
Pink
this.
Shorts
There's a big difference
for
between that
narcolepsy
and
assisted phone
recreational
losses?
marijuana. And I think that when you see something like the
We went on an
opioid
interview.
addiction crisis, blossoming in so many states.
Thank you,
around
Dr.
this country,
Phil.
the last thing that we should be doing is encouraging people. There are still a federal
Dr.
law
Phil wants us to get
that we need to
narcos
provide
from
in
our
terms of,
physician in Wilshire. We'll think
when it
about
comes to
that.
recreational marijuana and other.
We'll talk to you guys later on the re-air.
So,
Thank
I think
you
there's
for
a big
tuning in to Pink
difference between
Shorts.
medical
Sponsored by
marijuana,
Highest Buy
which
in
states have a
Haverhard.